I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to do a wig review, and today's wig is from Sangtok. Y'all, I'm excited about this wig because I don't think I've ever had a wig this length before. So before we get into the wig, Sangtok, hopefully I'm saying that right, sent me a bunch of goodies along with the wig. So obviously they sent me 2 wig caps, they sent me some lashes, they sent me some hair jewelry, cute. They sent me an edge brush or edge comb brush, rat tail comb. That's pretty cool. This is really thick, I like it. And then they sent me a layer. I call this a layer because this thing will lay your lace. Lay it. All right, so as for the wig, you guys, we got a 36-inch knotless braid wig. Okay, y'all, I never had a wig this long. 36 inches. 36 inches, you guys. Look at that. That is so long. And it's a braided wig at that. Look at how beautiful this first things first, I want to say, I got braided wigs before in the past, and they were so heavy, like so uncomfortably heavy. But this one is so light, and for its length, I'm so surprised. For this length, I'm so surprised that it's like light, like it's not super heavy. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is crazy. So look at the lace. That looks really good. And these are really freaking cute too. The parts are really clean and nice. And the braids itself is braided really nicely, and they're not like super heavy or like hard. And the ends are even braided. Right, then you got the baby hairs. Obviously the lace. So the cap construction, if you guys are curious, we got 2 combs on the side here. We have a comb in the back with also the adjustable straps, and then we have the band that I love. But this band has some little grippy stuff on it, so it can, grip your head better. And this is what the lace looks like overall. I'm excited to lay and slay this one. Okay, so I just want to try it on my head real quick, just to see what it would look like, if it fits right and everything like that. So oh my goodness, that's so crazy, you guys. Hold on. All right, okay, fits very snug. Oh, it's not even heavy. I'm so surprised. Guys, this looks really good. This looked really good. The length too, can y'all see that? That is it. Wait, I have to show you guys another angle. Do not, it's like past my butt. Past it. Even me on my tippy toes, I can't even get the whole length into frame. Oh my gosh. Okay, I cannot wait to lay this. All right, so I'm just gonna put these back in a ponytail. I just want those out of the way. I'm trying to push the baby hairs back. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut the lace first. So I'm gonna push, or at least try to push these baby hairs out of the way. All right, so I'm just gonna cut down the middle like this. I'm gonna get pretty close to my hairline as possible. Get as close to that as possible. Then I'm just gonna cut like this. I cut off some baby hairs, but that's fine. Because honestly, with this wig, you can literally just use your own baby hair if you want. And you will be fine. Like, I feel like you can just leave out your baby hairs and you'll be good. Okay, I'm gonna do the exact same thing to this side. Okay, so I just cut the lace, you guys. Now I'm just gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna put some foundation all over the lace, all inside the cap and everything. I'm gonna put this all over my brush that I'm gonna be using to apply it. And then I'm just gonna put it everywhere, literally just everywhere. Okay, so that method wasn't really working like I wanted it to, so I'm just gonna take a smaller brush and just go in individually like that, like this. I'm just gonna put it all up in there, in the parts, like that. All right, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna actually lay it. The ponytail's coming out. All right. So to hold this lace, I'm gonna use two products. I'm gonna be using the Got2b Glue gel and then the Got2b Glue freeze spray. Together, this combination is literally the best and cheap. So I'm just gonna apply the Got2b Glue gel just around my hairline. I'm not taking a bunch. I'm just doing like a thin line, just a thin one, just like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the freeze spray and then I'm just gonna spray it just like that. Now, I wait until it gets tacky and then I lay it. All right, so it is now tacky. So I'm just gonna pull that lace forward. I'm just gonna make sure that it's not folded or anything. Okay, I'm gonna pull it forward. I'm gonna set it right on top of there, you guys. I'm not really too worried about the sides. Like I said in my other videos, when it comes to lace fronts, like the sides, I'm not really worried about unless I'm doing like an updo or something like that. All right, so that's laid. Now I'm gonna take their band that they gave me, the lay it band is what I call it. I'm just gonna set that right on top like this so we can get an extra lay. So I'm just gonna let that sit for like 10 minutes. All right, you guys, so I've been sitting there for about like 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna take this off. Ooh, and it is laid. It is now laid. As you can see, this bad boy isn't going anywhere. This looks really good. Honestly, I don't even think I want to lay these baby hairs, but I'm gonna have to. So look how good that looks. This is crazy, you guys, and it's not even heavy. Like, this is the most light-weighted braided wig I have ever gotten before. I am going to lay my edges. So like I said, I like to do my edges with mousse, just any type of mousse, honestly. It makes them really soft, you know, and doesn't make them super hard or anything like that. So I'm just gonna put some on the brush that they gave me. Then I'm just gonna swoop away. I wanna make them look as natural as possible, so I'm not gonna do too much with them. All right, so that's the best that I can do these baby hairs, you guys. Like, I'm not used to doing wig baby hairs anymore. But one thing about this wig though is that it has this, like, I don't know what it, like, this is the lace, but it has like another layer to it. I don't know, but other than that, it is fine. Edges are done. This is what the wig looks like. Turn around for you guys. That's what it looks like. Back, front, the side. Like I said, it's really comfortable and it's not heavy like the other ones that I've received before. And that is the most important thing. It's very lightweight. These braids are done very, very nicely, as you can tell. They're done very nicely and they're super long. Like, look again. I can't even do it. You can't even see it. But 36 inches, you guys, which is so crazy, so freaking crazy. Everything about this hair will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.